Hi everyone, my name is Nerissa Dorlus and I'm a software engineer.
Yeah.
Prior to coming to Boca Code, I was an HR professional with degrees in both psychology and human resources. My background has fueled a love for two passions, which are mental health and improving the workplace environment. And from these passions came Mental Smart. So how many of you have ever had a bad day and just wished that people would leave you alone? That's a lot of you. Imagine having that bad day at work. Don't you wish that your job had a place for you to go and share your feelings with your coworkers? Well, your solution is Mental Smart. Mental Smart is a web app that allows you to journal your feelings and share it with your coworkers in the hopes of improving empathy in the workplace. So let me take you to a quick demo. So like I mentioned, Mental Smart is all about building workplace empathy. Isn't it crazy that about 50% of people who felt empathy from their team were less likely to leave the workplace? So why not normalize empathy? So let's start by logging into Google. So I am going to choose current Todd. So when you first log in, you will notice that you are greeted, welcome, with the user's name. And the first question it asks is, how are you feeling today? And you have the option to choose between 4 feelings: happy, sad, anxious, and overwhelmed. And as you can all tell, I'm a little anxious today, so I am going to choose anxious. And the next question asks, want to talk about it? And you have the options between no, to the manager, to HR, or to a counselor. I'm just gonna choose counselor for today. And you can submit your journal. And once your journal is submitted, you can see that since I am logged in as Todd, that Todd on Wednesday, June 22nd, is feeling anxious. But most importantly, what you can see is every single team member's feelings for this week. And this is what this app is about. And if you notice, Dari Dorlus, who is typically happy, but yesterday, on June 21st, he was sad. And today, there is nothing entered. So, using this app and being the empathetic person that I am, this is a moment for me to reach out to him and see what is going on.
I'm happy.
Wait until she reaches out.
So let me take you back to my presentation. And I bet you're all wondering how I built this, right?
How did you build this?
How did you build it?
How did you do it?
So for my database, I use Firestore. For my API, I use Node and Express. My front end was done on React.js, and both my back and front end were deployed on Firebase. My security was done through Google Firebase authentication, and I sprinkled a little styling with Material UI. In the future, I would love to add a Slack app, because the reality is most companies are now using Slack, and it will be such an easy way for you to actually log in, submit your feelings, and view how your team is doing on a daily, and it's super quick and easy. And the second thing I would like to do is actually provide mental health resources to all of the employees, depending on however they're feeling for that day. And since my presentation is all done, I actually want to go back and change my feeling on my app. So I am going to return to my journal and choose happy. And I don't necessarily want to share it with anyone, but I just want to submit it. And well,
You are happy.
I'm very happy, but it's loading. And as you can tell, well, I submitted it twice by clicking twice, but Todd's feeling for Wednesday, June 22nd was changed to happy. Extra happy.
Happy. I am extra happy.
Again, my name is Nerissa Dorlus, and I can be reached at nerissadorlus@gmail.com or by just simply scanning my QR code to my candidates page.
Nice.